Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So first let's open our box, and here we can see the USB cable, the 3.5mm headphones adapter. But unfortunately we have not here any earbuds, so if you want to use them with your Nubia device you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.